Identifying solutions to a system of linear equations. This is similar to the one we did where we were just checking to see if the x and y existed on the single equation. But now they've given us two, and they will be stacked one on top of each other in ALEKS. For the sake of room and time, I've gone ahead and separated them so that way it's easy for us to work them out. So here's our first equation, and we need to see if this point here exists on this line. So we're going to substitute, again, these into the place of our x and y's. So here we've got 15 times negative 1 minus 3 times negative 8 equals 9. 15 times negative 1 is negative 15. Negative 3 times negative 8 is positive 24. And of course, when we combine these, we have 9 equals 9. So far, this worked out. This point exists on this line. So now we need to find out if it exists on this line. Be very careful when you're substituting in. We're substituting the y in first. So we've got negative 8 equals 5 times negative 1 minus 3. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5 minus 3. And let me bring this down. So negative 5 minus 3, of course, is negative 8. Negative 8 equals negative 8. And since they both end up equaling, then this is a solution to the system. So we're going to bubble in yes. So now we're going to go to the next one. And we're doing the same process. So 15 times 0 minus 3 times 9 equals 9. Well, 15 times 0 is 0. Negative 3 times 9 is negative 27. And does negative 27 equal 9? Well, no. I'm going to put an X here. Okay, so since it doesn't meet or isn't a solution to this system, there is no need to check the second equation. Check second equation. Let me scribble that in there real quick. So we're just going to bubble in no. So now we're going to go to the next one. We've got 15 times 3 minus 3 times 4 equals 9. 15 times 3 is 45 minus 12. Well, 45 minus 12 gets us 33, and that definitely does not equal. So again, there's no need to check the second one. We're just going to go ahead and put our dot here. And now we're going to the last one. So 15 times 2 minus 3 times 7. 15 times 2 is 30. It's a 3. There we go. That looks better. Minus 21. And of course, 30 minus 21 is 9. So 9 equals 9. So this is a solution to this equation. So now we've got to check the next one. Remembering which one we need to substitute in first. So we're doing our y in first, which is 7 times 5 times, or equals 5 times negative, or positive 2, sorry about that, minus 3. I'm looking at this negative sign or minus sign here. So now we've got 10 minus 3. And 7 equals 7. So this is a solution to our system.